Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing another unboxing video. Today's December, so happy holidays. Today we're gonna be unboxing is a display case of the Yugioh Maximum Gold set. So for those that don't know, this is a new set that came out fairly recently in their gold line, and this display box. So open that up. See, there are 5 boxes in there. Each box with 4 packs. So in total, we're going to be opening 20 packs. And I've got my pack of sleeves here for any of the really good pulls. So let's get into that, shall we? Alright, well, I figure out how to open these. Oh, I think there might be a... There we go. Just set that to the side. Put the cap on my little knife here. I also gotta move the camera a little. Alrighty, that's better. Alrighty, so first pack. Let's see. Go Gigas. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Coyote, Nurse Dragon Maid. That's a pretty nice looking card. I really like the gold on this. That's a really nice looking setup. So I guess we'll put that to the side. Medolce Chateau. Number 15 Gimmick Puppet Giant Grinder. Maximum Gold Laundry Dragon Maid. And Preparation of Rites. So that's a cool first pack. Union Scramble. What does that say? Constellar Pleiades. Set that over. Temple of the Six. Barrier Statue of the Torrent. Droll and Lockbird. Put that aside. Mind Control. And Caligo Clawcrow. Mistaken Accusation, Night Beam. Well, that's always a good one. Another Nurse Dragon Maid. I'll put that off to the side with the other ones. Foolish Burial. Eldritch the Golden Lord. That's a pretty cool card. And Foolish Burial Goods. Noble Knight Drystone. Tachyon Transmigration. Forbidden Chalice. I'll put that there. Another Droll and Lockbird. Terraforming. Traptrix Murmelio. Alright, so that's one box down. Dark Lord X Chill. Ooh, that's really cool. Monster Reborn. I really like that with that gold effect. Transcode Talker. Condemned Witch. Card back here. Another Droll and Lockbird. Dimensional Prison, that's a good one. And Tuning. Magical Meltdown. Herald of the Arc-Light. Arc-Light, I'm sorry. It's very early in the morning when I'm doing this. Dark Lord Morningstar. Noble Knight Brothers. Well, that's a nice card. House Dragon Maid. Sacred Sword of the Seven Stars. And Dark Lord Rebellion. I gotta say, I'm really crossing my fingers that I get either the Gold Dark Magician, Gold Blue Eyes, or Gold Red Eyes. I'm really crossing my fingers for that. Anyway, Coach Soldier Wolfbark, Meta Knight of the Morning Star, Boral Sword Dragon, Synchron Carrier, Ghost Sister and Spooky Dogwood. That's kind of cute. And Sacred Sword of the Seven Stars. Night Beam, Moral Sword Dragon, number 15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Grinder, Stake, ooh, Anti-Magic Arrows. I've been wanting that one for a long time. Planet Pathfinder, and Mistaken Arrest. Alright, so that's 2 boxes down. On to box number 3. Yeah, I'm going to do that so I get the pack out easier. Same on this side. Night Beam, White Prince, Parlor Dragon Maid. That's a cute card. Barrier Statue of the Stormwinds, Oh, that's cool. I really like the gold on that polymerization. Mecha Phantom, Beast Coltwing, Sacred Sword of the 7 Stars. Getting a lot of those Sacred Sword of the 7 Star cards. Number 87, Queen of the Night, Miracle Contact, Harpies, Pet Phantasmal Dragon, the Phantom Knights of Rusty Barditch, I think that says, and Ghost Ogre and Snow Rabbit, Mecha Phantom Beast Blue, Impala, Super Dimensional Robot Galaxy Destroyer. Buster Blader, the Dragon Destroyer Swordsman, Noble Knight, Pelennor, number 15, Gimmick Puppet Giant Grinder, mistake, Zodiac Dryden, sorry, House Dragon Maid, and Sky Palace Gangaridai. Some of these I don't know. Some of these I can't pronounce them. Makes me feel kind of old, but... Well, that's really what the show is good for, helping us pronounce the card names. Okay, Mistaken Accusation, Coach Soldier, Wolfbark, Solemn Judgment, number 39, Utopia Beyond, Eldritch, the Golden Lord, Barrier Statue of the Abyss, and Dark Lord Nastan. Oh, sorry, give me a sec. Alrighty, box 4. Magical Meltdown, number 87, Queen of the Night, Trickstar Reincarnation, Dark Lord Morningstar, Elder Entity Entis, I actually have no idea how to pronounce that one, Cyber Dragon Infinity, and Planet Pathfinder. I mean, there are definitely, when it comes to gold foils, there are definitely some good cards in this set. Nightbeam. What's that say? Ghost Bell and Haunted Mansion. Barrier Statue of the Stormwinds. Reinforcement of the Army. Mecha Phantom Beast Jakuluslan. And Noble Knights Ichtar. Next pack. I know a lot of you watching this are thinking, why isn't he putting the foils in sleeves? Don't worry, they're gonna go in sleeves when I'm done with the video. White prints. There can only be one. Barrier statue of the torrent. What does that say? Fantastical dragon phantasme. That's kind of cool. There's one. Red eyes, black dragon. I'll put that down there. Mage power. Hidden temple of the Necro Valley. Alright, hold on. So, alright. Red eyes is going in a sleeve. There we go. Go Gigas. Trade in Elemental Hero Stratus, alternate artwork. That's pretty cool. Traptrix Mantis. Cosmo Dark Destroyer. Mind Control. And Caligo Clawcrow. Alrighty, so last one. Oh, sorry, hold on a second. I think I accidentally put. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay. Sorry, the camera is kind of blurring. Flame, Bufferlo, Eater of Millions, Monster Reborn, Temple of the Six, Barrier Statue of the Torrents, Super Polymerization. That's an interesting one. And Terraforming. I never really got Super Polymerization. I know it's a good card, but I never got the whole strategy behind it. Dark Lord Contact, Lair of Darkness, Medulce Knights, the Phantom Knights of Rust Bardrich. It says Apollosa, Bow of the Goddess. That's a neat one. Barrier Statue of the Abyss, and Dark Lord Nastin. Barrier Statue of the Inferno, the Monarchs Erupt. Totally awesome, that's funny. The Phantom Knights, the Rusty Bardrich, House Dragon Maid, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Buffalo, and Mage Power. Alrighty, last pack. Called by the Grave, Scrap Recycler, Herald of the Arclight, Unexpected Die, Cosmotown, Barrier Statue of the Abyss, and DD Warrior Lady. Alright guys, so that's it. So we got a nice stack of gold foil cards here for me to sleeve up and such. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope all of you guys have a safe and happy holiday and a very happy new year. Peace out, and as always, may the force be with you.